Hello, welcome back to Banjara Club. My name is Manoj. So, guys, today I am going to show you how to fix if your Android phone back button and home button not working. So, how to fix this problem? So, guys, let's start. Before that, I want to show you. Please, I want to tell you. Like and share my videos and subscribe my channel. So let's go. Firstly, we have to download one file. Its name is HandySoftKey. This one I already installed. My back button, home button not working, so I was downloaded this, and you can see here. This is option. You click 2-3 times here, and you can change setting like thickness, length, color, transparency, fade of delay, and many more. Okay, so you can enable, disable your transparency, fade of delay. Now if your screen is not working downside here, it's not working, then you see my screen not working down here. So we need one more file, one more application here. This is ultimate screen rotation. After that, you can rotate your screen everywhere at 360 degree, and you can use your mobile like new. You don't need to go to repair this, so you can download this and use your mobile regularly. So guys, I hope you like my video. Please share and subscribe my channels. Thank you guys. Thanks for